Straight down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so I'm going to put these right through here and through this. Yeah, looks good.
Rags on the table and a grease-stained guide. Toolbox open, spanner spread wide. Digging deep under flickering light. Hunting down trouble in the dead of the night. Oh, throw a spat right out to the soft. Mind-blowing mystery, a mechanical dumb. Solved it, tamed it, locked it down tight, gears back in, and she's nearly alright. Crank down the casings and check the bore. The silver classics gonna thump once more. Back in the frame where the motor belongs, hanging a pipe for her trumpet. Oh, songs no longer loose in the belly of the beast. The bolts are fixed, the nightmare deceased. Motors back in, dropping bolts in the head. Clutches fitted and tore down the thread. New oil is flowing, filters in tight.
So these are 10 by 25 by 125, zinc plated. Okay, now the next one.
You're in the panic and the big fright. Rockers are pumping, time and gear set. The sweetest victories this novice can get. The tank is filled, the engine is 10 keys in the lock. Royal Enfield is ready. Crank down the pacings and check the bore. The silver classics gonna thump once more. Back in the frame where the motor belongs, hanging the pipes for the thump and old songs no longer loose in the belly of the beast. The bolts are fixed, the nightmare's deceased. I twist of the throttle and she beats again. I can feel it already. It's my kind of zen. No rattles, no leaks, just a thump in a roar. I think she's ready on the tank and the sun's barely through. A merino morning, just the sky and the blue. I found the compression, waiting for the sign. Needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone. A waking giant at the break of the dawn. It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500 cc's can let it run. And it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load. Up through the twisting Adelaide pines, leaving the city and the worry behind. Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart. Second gear winding through the corkscrew bends, where the great bitumen twists and ascends. Gum trees blurring like a ghost on the right. Lean into the corner, hold the line tight. There's a vibration rising up through the steel, a living connection that you only can feel. No room for the past, no fear of the grave. Just the smell of the damp earth and the warmth of the day. They say peace is a quiet place, stillness and sleep, but mine's in the torque, pulling steady and deep. Every pop of the exhaust is a breath I exhale, chasing the white line right in the rail. It's a moving meditation, a mechanical prayer, stripping the soul all the way down to and it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a rider's load. Past the chain of ponds where the water shines, leaving the city and my world behind.
And this is what I've got to mount on the front. So the motorbike wheel comes in and gets locked into this.